The word exciting means creating or causing great thrill, enthusiasm, or excitement. For example, the exciting news caused the team to celebrate. The game was exciting. I was captivated by the exciting game. The word form exciting cannot be used as a verb in a sentence. This form is an adjective, and although it has a present participle verb form, that is, it ends with the letters ing, it does not exist as a stand-alone verb. Let's recall the difference between an adjective and a verb. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or pronoun, while a verb is a word that expresses an action. In these examples, exciting functions as an adjective. In the first sentence, exciting qualifies the noun news. In the second sentence, exciting qualifies the noun game. And in the third sentence, exciting also qualifies the noun game. Therefore, the word exciting can only function as an adjective. It would be ungrammatical to say, "The news is exciting me," or "The game is exciting James." These sentences are ungrammatical because the word exciting cannot function as a verb. The correct verb form would be, "The news excites me." "The game excites James." Overall, the word form exciting does not function as a verb but as an adjective. Verbs derived by the adjective exciting include excite, excites, or excited in the past tense form.